Hey guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy coffee liqueur. I enjoy the coffee liqueurs because I love a good white Russian. And I also like to add it to my coffee from time to time. And this is a very simple recipe, and we're going to use a few simple ingredients. This recipe is so simple and you can have it put together in no time. So let me go ahead and show you the ingredients you're going to need to get started with your coffee liqueur. And we're going to be using instant coffee today. Get you a good instant coffee. It doesn't matter what brand. Get you some vodka, vanilla extract, a cup of water, and a cup of sugar. You're going to need a saucepan to put everything together because we're going to heat everything up. And then you're going to need a bottle to store your coffee liqueur in. And this does not have to be refrigerated. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our 1 cup of water into our saucepan. We just want to heat our water up. Our water is hot. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our heat off. To our hot water, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Now guys, this is my first time making coffee liqueur. To that, we're going to add like 1/4 of a cup of your instant coffee. So this part is just like making yourself a big cup of coffee. This is what we have so far. Now, if you don't like instant coffee, you can just brew you some regular coffee. Okay, we just want to make sure everything is well melted. Our coffee liqueur has cooled, and now we get ready to jar it up. And this is just an old bourbon bottle that I had, and I went out and bought a cork to fit right on top of there. So I'm going to use a funnel to make everything flow easily. And we're going to pour it up. Ooh, that look good. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. And this is our homemade coffee liqueur. So first off, we're going to give it a taste. We're going to smell it first. Oh. Liqueur. That is good, guys. Let's make us a White Russian. A White Russian is very simple to make. We're going to be using our homemade coffee liqueur today. You're going to take your old-fashioned glass. You're going to load it up with some ice. We're going to do 1 ounce. Now, I want to enjoy my drink. I don't want it to be overpowering with the alcohol. So I'm going to do 1 ounce of, I'm going to do 1 ounce of vodka, followed by 1 ounce of the coffee liqueur. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm going to add me just a sprinkle of sugar, because this is my drink and this is how I like it. All right, just a sprinkle. That's probably about a teaspoon. And 1 ounce, or 2 if you like it creamy, of half and half. And that, my friend, is a White Russian. Ooh, yes. That's a good White Russian. Try it this way, guys. You will enjoy this. Make your homemade coffee liqueur and enjoy it any way you like. I like especially mine with White Russian, and I like to add it to my coffee sometimes just for a nighttime cocktail. I like to do that. That little sprinkle of sugar, it just balances it all out. It's very good. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video on how we made our homemade coffee liqueur, aka Liqueur. I promise you, this is a good recipe. It's simple, it's very inexpensive. You will enjoy this. And this does not have to be refrigerated. You can just put it on your bar or wherever you keep your alcoholic beverages. It does not have to be in the refrigerator. And with that being said, I'm going to see you next time on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to upload another video before the new year. If I do not, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2025. Big things is going to be happening. Bye. Let's pause.